And when it came time for them to go to camp, my background is in social work and group work. So I went to apply to work at Kinderland, and I had my interviews with Kinderland, and then I applied to work in several of the other schools, the private schools of a secular background. And they offered me much more money and better terms. But I wanted my kids to be in Kinderland, so that's where we went. And instead of getting paid enough to have money left over at the end of the summer, I ended up paying extra money because Kinderland didn't have the money. But that's where I wanted my kids to be, and that's where they were. And I was the group leader for 7 years.